gradient phi. Okay, now what is meant by gradient phi? So gradient always we have to find out for a scalar. The gradient of a scalar function is dou phi by dou x into I bar, dou phi by dou y into j bar, dou phi by dou z into k bar. So what is meant by directional derivative? So directional derivative means gradient phi dot unit vector. Gradient phi means for a scalar you will find out the gradient unit vector. Suppose f is a vector, then gradient f by modulus of gradient f is the unit vector. So gradient phi dot unit vector is called the directional derivative. So gradient phi means is a vector normal to the surface. Gradient phi means what you have to remember, it is a normal to the surface. Next, angle between the two normals n1 and 2. Cos theta is equal to n1 bar dot n2 bar by modulus of n1 into modulus of en2. So divergence of a vector. Divergence of a vector means the divergence of f bar is equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y, dou f3 by dou z. You have to remember. So if divergence of f bar is equal to 0, then f bar is said to be solenoidal. Okay. While writing divergence of f bar means del dot f bar you will write. Gradient f means gradient phi means gradient phi you have to write like this. First we will consider one problem. A is equal to x plus y plus z, b is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, c is equal to x plus y, xy plus yz plus zx. Prove that gradient of A, gradient B, gradient C is equal to 0. What is meant gradient A formula is dou A by dou x into I bar, dou A by dou y into j bar, dou A by dou z into k bar. Here A is equal to x plus y plus z. Find the dou A by dou x 1, dou A by dou y is also 1, dou A by dou z is 1. Therefore gradient is I bar plus j bar plus k bar. Similarly, B x square plus y square plus z square. Find dou B by dou x, dou B by dou y, dou B by dou z. Gradient B formula dou B by dou x I bar, dou B by dou y j bar, dou B by dou z k bar. Substitute the values, you will get like this. Similarly, C also xy plus yz plus zx. Gradient C means dou C by dou x into I bar, dou C by dou y into j bar, dou C by dou z into k bar. So with respect to x means y is a constant. So yz is equal to 0. With respect to x means z you come across with. Similarly, dou C by dou y, dou C by dou z you come across with. Therefore, gradient C is like this. Now gradient A, gradient B, gradient C is put it in the determinant. So gradient A. So 1, 1, 1. Next one is 2x, 2y, 2z, I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients. Next one is y plus z, x plus z, y plus x. So if you expand this determinant, you are going to get 0. Next problem is find the directional derivative of f in the direction of vector so and so. So this is the scalar. This is the vector. Okay.